This is a quick version of adding text above and below pictures, whether it's for genealogy or just cataloguing things or locations or people, using GIMP, which is a free software package like Photoshop, and it's from gimp.org, GIMP.org. Hope you enjoy. This is a quick version of adding text underneath a picture or above and below it, instead of on the picture using the text tool. So first thing you need to do is have somewhere to put the text. So we go to Image, Canvas Size, and we're going to increase the height. So let's make that 2466. By default, it's the first time you do it, it'll be a transparent background and not applied to any layers, so it's not much use. So you need to say all layers, and you want it to be white for you to put the text on. You can drag it up and down so you can have a white area above to put a title and then text underneath. In my example, I just want everything below, like a Polaroid. Resize. I've now got some space underneath my picture to put my text. So now I use the text tool, draw a text box. I drag that in a little bit. And I start typing. So Tom and Mary. Notice I can't see the text because it's white. By default, it's white text for writing up the top. So just got to select the text and change it to black. Then I'll be able to see it. Right. I just pasted in some more text, and once again it came in white on white, so just make sure it all goes black. And instead of waiting for me to type, I've got text already here in Notepad or any other program. Just copy it. And paste it. Notice the cursor came down here. It's once again, it's white on white. It's a bit of a nuisance, but I've got to change it so it all goes black. And there it is. I've completed my picture. I'm going to select all the text and make it bold so it stands out a bit more. If I can alter the text size bigger and smaller as necessary. But next step is to save the project so that it can be edited again sometime in the future. So I'll say this is a quick version. And that's saved the project so it can be re-edited in GIMP, GIMP. And now I'm going to export it as a JPEG so that I can share it with people. By default, it has a PNG extension. Just change it to JPG if you want a JPEG one. So export it. I'm going to ignore all the extra settings available on JPEG. I've exported the picture. And let's have a look. Let's open up this one. And you'll see there it is. So, yeah, that's how you do it. I'm Damien from the Bundaberg Computer Group, part of U3A. Thank you for watching.